Let us learn about bee venom. Epitoxin or bee venom is the venom produced by the honeybee. It is a cytotoxic and hemotoxic. It is a bitter, colorless liquid containing proteins which produce local inflammation. Epitoxin is produced by two glands associated with sting apparatus. First gland is venom or acid gland. Second gland is Duffer or alkaline gland. This is the image of venom gland associated with sting production. Venom gland consists of a pair of long, slender, convoluted tubules present at the abdomen. The entire length of the tubule consists of the secretory cells. The venom gland opens into the venom sac. Duffer's gland is associated with venom and sting sheath. The mixture of these three glands is called bee venom. Honey bee stinger. Newborn bees do not sting. Venom synthesis begins after 2 or 3 days, while the maximal production rate is reached when bees are 2 to 3 weeks old. One sting contains about 100 microgram of dry bee venom. Drones do not have stings. While bee queens have bee venom, its maximum quantity being that of newly emerged queens in order to facilitate their fight for survival against competing queens. It reaches a maximum level when the worker bees become involved in hive defense and foraging jobs. The level of production is diminished in old bees. Physical characteristics. Honeybee venom is a yellowish opalescent liquid, sometimes almost colorless. They have strong odor. It has a bitter taste, hydrolytic blend of proteins with pH 4.5 to 5.5 that is used by bees for defense. It is a liquid form which is acidic. Bee venom is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol and ammonium sulfate. When it comes in contact with air, it forms grayish white crystals. Bee venom image. Dried venom takes on a light yellow color and some commercial preparations are brown due to oxidation of some of the venom proteins. The specific gravity is 1.12. The water content varies between 55 and 70 percentage. Bee venom is relatively stable at lower temperature. They are destroyed by sunlight and higher temperature. Easily destroyed by oxidizing substances like potassium permanganate, potassium sulfate, halogens like chlorine and bromine. Dried powder bee venom. Chemical composition. It contains glucose, fructose and phospholipids as well as 18 pharmaceutical active components which includes enzymes, peptides and amines. Proteins. The enzymes are proteins catalyzing specific reactions. There are 5 enzymes in bee venom which includes phospholipase A2, phospholipase B, hyaluronidase, phosphatase, alpha glucosidase. Polypeptides. Polypeptides are smaller in molecular weight than enzymes made of two or more amino acids. It has numerous polypeptides, the main one being melatonin. The other peptides include the apamine and adolapin. Melatonin has a molecular weight of 2840 Dalton. Tabular column of components present in the bee venom, which consists of substance group, component, and percentage of dry weight. Quality of bee venom. If it is not protected, oxidation will change the color from white to brownish yellow. Changes caused by oxidation of certain components of the venom may decrease its healing effect. There are different kinds of venom such as pure whole dried, and freeze dried lyophilized bee venom. Pure whole dried bee venom is the purest venom. It is white in color, not contaminated with foreign materials, and colorless when it is used in a solution. Freeze-dried bee venom is highly processed and purified venom. During the preparation, its moisture content and any other contaminants are removed in order to purify and preserve it. Some of the active components may be removed also if an uncontrolled purification method is used. It is widely used in creams, ointments, etc. In a tablet form, it can be used to prepare venom solution for electrophoresis or phonophoresis ultrasound applications. If bee venom is protected from moisture and light, it can be stored for 5 years or more. Freeze drying is the most effective method of preserving bee venom. Optimal quality can be achieved when it is harvested correctly. Contamination with bee fecus, dust, pollen, honey, and other beehive components should be avoided. Harvesting of bee venom. Most commercial venom collectors are composed of 3 parts: battery or accumulator 24 to 30 volts, transformer from constant to alternating current with impulse frequency of 50 to 1000 Hz and an impulse duration of 3 to 6 seconds. Collector frame consisting of an electric wire net and a glass plate covered by a thin polyethylene membrane about 0.13 mm which receives the venom. Bee venom collector. The collector can be mounted in or out of the hive. The bees get in contact with the charged wire net and are stimulated to sting through the membrane and spray their venom on the glass plate. The glass plates are dried in a dark, ventilated room. Bees are not harmed during the bee venom collection. Repeated 3-hour collection periods carried out 3 to 4 times per month do not harm bees, resulting in a total harvest of 4 gram dry bee venom. This collection resulted in a decrease of brood production and honey yield of about 10 to 15%. if the collection was less frequent, example 3 to 4 times per season, the bee performance was not influenced. 10,000 bees are needed for the collection of 1 gram dry bee venom. Bee venom is gathered commercially in Eastern Europe, Far East and North and South America. In warm and humid zones, the bee venom can be more toxic than in cold temperate zones. Regarding the bee venom in different Apis types, it was found out that Apis mellifera and Apis dorsata venom had similar toxicity, while Apis dorsata venom contains much more alarm pheromones. Medicinal uses of bee venom. Bee venom is used to treat chronic injuries such as bursitis and tendonitis. It is used to treat hay fever, burns, gout. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects which is used to reduce the inflammation by presence of its component melatonin. The anti-inflammatory effects of bee venom have benefits to the people with rheumatoid arthritis which affects the joints. Bee venom therapy helps in reducing the symptoms related to neurological diseases like Parkinson's disease. The poison of bee venom lowers blood pressure and control hemolysis. Thank you.